Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a quick Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a few things, not many. Didn't have a lot of new fall stuff out. I noticed that they started putting Christmas stuff out, which I haven't got yet, which I know I should, because you already know if you don't get it then, it probably won't be there when you go back. So first I picked up this I guess some people use it as placemats, but I have a project in mind that I want to do. And if you want to see that, I will be posting that preferably sometime next week or before the end of this week. So I picked that up. And I only got a few things for fall because I have a ton already. And if you want to see my shop with me video, I will be uploading that soon, or it should be already uploaded already. I thought this was super cute. It says, "Come in, my pretties," and it doesn't have any like grooves in it, but it looks so adorable. It looks as if it's like on a, you know, real wood. So I picked that up, and I love the colors. It's not too glittery. I don't mind the glitter. But so yeah, I picked that up, and I also got one of these wreath hangers. They had it in gold, green, and red, and I figured fall, Christmas, it would match both, so pick that up. And then my daughter's going to be starting her pre-K program, so I picked up a few things for her school that she's going to be needing. So I picked up a box of tissues. They said she'll be needing that. Let's see what else I got. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. I didn't set it up. But anyways, okay. I picked up the glue sticks by Jot. It has 8 pieces. They're asking for 6, but I figured why not get an extra couple. You know, they'll go through it. They needed some jumbo crayons, so I picked up these from Disney. This is the Frozen one. There's 10 jumbo crayons in that one. And then I picked up the Mickey, and there's 10 in there as well. She also is going to be needing wipes, so I picked a couple of packs of wipes over there. I'm not sure if that's a good deal, but I was there anyway, so I just picked those up. And they said she was going to need paper towels, so I ended up just picking 2 packs of the paper towels that they had there. So got that. And there was a few more things that I need to get that they did not have there. I think it was the glue. I should have picked another one up because I saw it, I can't remember if it was last week or the week before, and they still had glue there, but when I went today, they didn't. So picked that up, and then I picked this up. It's a little carrying tote. My daughter's going to be having her 4th birthday in Trolls, and I thought this was super cute. I figured I can put one of her gifts in there. Find your tribe. And then there's the inside of it. Super cute. So pick that up, and I think that was it for her. Oh no, I have one more thing for her school. They wanted the Play-Doh, 4 packs of them. So I got the blue, the white, the purple, and the yellow. So I picked that up. And then this is just random stuff that I got. I actually picked up 2 of these poster boards because I'm trying to finish her invitations, and I should have that video up soon. I'm doing her invitations with my Cricut machine, and if you're interested in that, I will be posting that soon. And also for her party, I'm going to be doing her cake as well, and I picked up these colorful lollipop bouquets that I'm going to be sticking in her on top of her cake, as well as this one. I might end up getting another one of these, but her cake's not going to be big. I normally do 24 cupcakes and a mini cake just for her, but we'll see what I decide to do. Also, I saw these and I thought they were super cute. It's the temporary hair color. This one's in lavender. This one is in baby pink. And this one is in teal. So I picked these up. I thought they'd be perfect for her party. I'm not sure what color I'm going to do her hair, and I might end up doing mine. I'm not sure, but we'll see how that works. Also picked up, I saw these and thought they were super cute. I've never seen these before. I haven't seen anybody haul them before, but I thought they were super cute. So it's these car fresheners. This one is an Ocean, and it's the 70s. This one is in the 80s, and it's strawberry, and it's a little cassette tape. And then this one right here is, I guess, the 2000s. This is lemon mint, and it's like it's a little earphones, little headphone set. I thought those were super cute. I haven't seen anybody haul those yet. I picked up one of these sanding sponges just because I've been doing a lot of projects and I know I'm gonna need one of these soon. I also picked up more nail glue. Can never have enough of this stuff. My little one is reading books now, and he is needing book markers. So I figured I could pick these up for him. He's really into reading mystery and all about mummies and stuff like that. So figured I'd get that for him. I also found these. I haven't seen these before. They're the felt stickers, letters and numbers. I'm excited because I'm going to be doing her party, and I figured I could do something fun or whatnot, backdrop or something, something to do with trolls, and it has all the bright colors that I'm going to be using anyway, so sounds good. So I did pick up another one of these coconut leaves. I also picked this up. I'm not even sure if they sell this here. My daughter wanted it, so I just picked it up for her. That, and then I picked up these 2 polishes. This one is, doesn't say, Blinky, I think it is. And then this one is Flannel Gray. And last but not least, I did pick up glue sticks for myself because I'm going to be needing them for her invitations that I'm going to be putting together. So that's pretty much my haul. Like I said, if you like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be uploading a shop with me and a couple of DIY projects from the Dollar Tree that I have planned and I want to get up before next week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.